Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove and unblock an email address from the block list on Hotmail. If you've blocked someone by mistake, or you just want their emails to land back in your inbox, here's the step-by-step process. First, open your browser and head over to the Outlook login page on Microsoft's website. Sign in with your Hotmail email and password. If you use multi-factor authentication, just follow the prompts to complete sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. In the top right corner, click on the gear icon. That's your settings menu. A panel will slide out on the right. In the settings panel, click on Mail. Then select Junk Email. This section controls how Outlook filters unwanted messages. Here, under Block Senders and Domains, you'll see a list of addresses you've blocked. Scroll through until you find the one you want to unblock. Click on the email or domain you want to remove, and then hit the Trash or Remove button. That's it. Outlook will immediately unblock the address, and future emails will go straight to your inbox. And that's how you quickly unblock an email address in Hotmail. Keeping your block list tidy makes sure only unwanted senders stay out, while important ones reach your inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.